The size of the Forex market is now thought to be $6.6 trillion. About 9.5 million people around the world trade online. This means that about 1 in every 700 people in the world could become your customers. This is a tempting group of customers, but the problem is that there are hundreds of Forex brokers, big and small, in total. Knowing exactly what makes your business different from the competition and how you will introduce yourself to potential customers will help you cut through the information noise that other Forex marketing campaigns provide. The best basic way to market yourself as a Forex broker is to decide how to talk about your FX firm, what makes you different, and who you want to talk to. Change the way you advertise on the internet. Paid advertising is almost always a part of a good marketing plan for online business. Still, it's important to remember to spend advertising money wisely and evaluate the success of paid promotion efforts by comparing them to the strategic plan of the company. Use a hybrid approach to Forex advertising to get in front of your customers at all the places they spend time. Remember that content is an inexpensive tool. Content is likely one of the most adaptable and powerful tools a marketer has, as long as it gets to the right people in the right way. Your marketing team can make a single piece that works well for the homepage of a website, a blog post, an email campaign, and many other things. In a world that is always changing and becoming more digitalized, the importance of content will only grow, so you should make every piece of content you make work as hard as it can on as many platforms as possible. Also, making a network of influencers through high-quality content is a great idea because blogs and articles that are interesting often lead to debate. Instead of forcing users to act in a certain way by giving them rewards, refined and customized content lets everything work naturally. The most important thing is the content, but only if the message is clear. Spend money to train your traders. No matter what kind of trader your business is aimed at, every Forex advertising strategy has some kind of customer education in it. Foreign currency is not the easiest thing to learn about, and every trading platform is built on solutions that make it easy to get started. Even if you know that 90% of your clients have a lot of experience, doing things like hosting educational webinars and making useful media will help you build a good reputation as a business that cares about its clients. The more your client knows about what they are doing, the more likely it is that they will keep working with you. Balance your email marketing campaigns. When it comes to marketing costs, it is usually cheaper for a business to keep a customer it already has than to find a new one. So, regular mailings are a must if you want your customers to remember your brand. Email marketing can help bring in new customers and build trust and long-term relationships with existing ones. If a business's CRM program lets you, you can set up emails and newsletters to be sent automatically and customized for different types of clients. Make sure your email marketing tools work so that you can keep customers and not the other way around. Find out more about social media sites so you can choose the best one. Even if you aren't actively trying to bring in customers through social media, you shouldn't avoid it completely. If you have a social media page, users are more likely to trust you, and it's a great way to connect with your customers. Social media can be a great way to gather information for your Forex broker's marketing plan, and you don't even have to run a whole SMM department. Find the best thing your users can do to keep them interested. Contests, bonuses, and award programs can help bring in new customers and give current traders a fresh look at the broker's philosophy or way of doing things. With the help of PANM accounts, a new group of investors who are interested in the foreign exchange market but don't have the time or chance to trade directly can be brought in. Almost every foreign exchange business can find a way to make use of its resources or technological skills. Any kind of relevant promotion will help the press and customers get along better. From what has been said so far, it's clear that the better your Forex marketing campaigns are, the more targeted they are. Once you know who you want to reach and what you want to say, like MT5 users, algo traders, to investors, etc., you can target the right group with your Forex marketing strategy. The more ideas, theories, and marketing tools you can test in your A/B promotion, the better, since it's always best to make decisions based on facts. In conclusion, the Forex market is a tempting market with millions of potential customers. However, with hundreds of Forex brokers in competition, It's crucial to have a clear and differentiated message to cut through the noise. Using a hybrid approach to advertising, creating high-quality content, investing in customer education, and finding the best promotional strategies for your business can all help to attract and retain customers. Targeting the right audience and testing different marketing tools based on data and facts can ultimately lead to a successful Forex marketing campaign.